Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set screen time limit on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to go to the Roblox setting. I'm going to select the more option and then select settings right here. And then we need to go to the privacy and content restriction. And here you will find the screen time setting. But wait, it's still loading guys. Okay, and then you're going to select the screen time, and here you will get information about the screen time in 7 days average. And then if you want to set the daily limit, you can click on this menu and you can set a daily limit on the time you spend on Roblox. Okay, you can set, for example, 1 hour or 3 hours. It's up to you. And after that, don't forget to save the daily limit. Okay, guys, and that's how you can set the screen time limit on Roblox game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!